She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to
Yes
walk
people, and welcome back to another video. So, Nath from Nath Outdoors, and tonight I'm on for a wild camp in a new spot, potentially a new Wainwright. We found this spot when we did the corridor route the other week. So I'm with my mate Dan. I was meant to be out solo tonight, but lastminute.com decided he wanted to come. So yeah, we're heading up Seathwaite Fell, wherever it is, up there somewhere. Cracking picture, a great end in the distance. So yeah, new gear to test out. New sleeping mat from Kilios Gear. Sorry if I've butchered that. And pillow. Me new chair, the Otimos X-Lite chair. They kindly sent me that, so that'll make for sitting out a lot more comfortable. So yeah, we're on our way up. Nice steep stairmaster, blowing out my arse. So yeah, we'll head up and make a decision as to whether apologies. We'll make a decision as to whether we do the Wainwright tonight or in the morning. So yeah, I'll motor up and bring you back when we're up there somewhere. Okay. It's pretty good up here. The same view I've had for the past hour. Hello. This is the part where I fall in. So we've made it to the tarn, loads of potential spots, but it's like bloody green fields round here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tents, 8, 9. When's Calvin Harris coming out? Well, we've decided before we camp or pitch up to come and bag the Wainwright. So Wainwright number 159, Seathwaite Fell. you've got signal as well. The only thing is we found a few spots, but go and have a look. Let's go and find a pitch. I'll bring you back when I'm getting the tent set up. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, I can't show you what I'm in because I got pitched up a bit too late. It's nice and dark out, but I'm in the Otimos X-Lite Nomad Solo. My sleep system for tonight, my new sleeping pad by Kelios Gear. Again, sorry if I butchered that. And I'm just about to pump up the sleeping pillow, so that'll be me for the night. I think I need to pump this up a bit more, but yeah, that's me for the night. I'm going to sit down or lie down, watch some series on my phone and see how much sleep I can get. I've got Dan over there, don't know if you can see, in the OEX Fox 2. So yeah, quite a few people around at this tarn. Wind's not too bad. Got a bit of a headache now though, so I'm ready for some sleep. So I'll check back in with you in the morning, give you a walk round of the tent, show you and tell you what I think of the gear, make a brew. So I shall see you in the morning. Good night. So I'm in bed. I am watching The Amazing Spider-Man because that's the best Spider-Man. And my first impressions of the sleeping pad and the pillow are they're very comfortable. It's really. I've got the large. I think I got one. Oh no, I've got the medium. Sorry, I've got the medium, and it's really comfortable. Fits perfectly in my tent. The pillow wraps around the sleeping pad. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, first impressions really good. So I'm gonna crack on watching Spider-Man. Turn my watch off for a bit. Stop tracking, so I can tell you what time. Hold on, just sorry. It's 10:30 now, so I'll watch a bit of this. I've got a can of Coke which I've been dying to have. So yeah, bedtime. Like I say, I'll give you a full run through of everything in the morning because it got a little bit dark, left it a little bit too late, which isn't too bad to be fair. Hopefully in the morning I can whiz the drone up and have a brew before we set off home. Bagged the Wainwright, so we're winning. So sunrise is at 5:30. I don't know if I'll be getting up for that because I'm pretty tired now. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the morning for a debrief on the new gear. So good night, stick around and I'll see you in a few minutes. See you in a bit.
think I've just had the best night's sleep I've ever had camping. Sleeping mat and pillow. I think I only woke up twice, and one of them was for a week. So, yeah, very, very happy with this sleeping system. Wind was a bit hit and miss. You know, the sleeping, the wind was there a bit, but yeah, my watch didn't even tell me how much I slept because I've had it tracking for a map. Well, yeah, I'm well happy with the sleeping stuff. There it is. Just need to upgrade my sleeping bag now. Yeah, give me 2 minutes, get my boots on, we'll look outside, and then we'll wrap up and go because Dan's a bit cold. So, 2 minutes. Boots are on. Had a play with the drone, as you might have seen. So yeah, really happy with that. So that's the Kilios gear. I'll put all the links and description in the bio for these two. But I'm really happy with them. I thought they were weird for the first time. Didn't get too cold outside. It's rated to an R value of 5, so it's a good one, especially for in England anyway. So I'm really I'm treated to a sunrise like this, which a bit cloudy over that way, but hopefully that just misses us. But yeah, look at that. Some morning. So, as I was saying yesterday, I'll give you the walk round. So, the Batmobile, the Otimos outdoor gear, Nomad Solo, an absolute beast of a tent. I didn't feel anything last night. And then you've got Dan's setup, OEX Fox 2, which is also a bit of a tank, to be fair. I've never seen this pitched in real life, so you know so many people have got it. But it looks really good, doesn't it? So yeah, that's the view we're getting. Look at that. well happy. Well happy. I've just realised I camped next to where some idiot has had a fire. It looks like it. You don't do that. You just don't. So yeah, so this is I mean, there's quite a few tents as you can see already. Sprinkling Tarn. So we set up in the dark, so we didn't know what properly views we were getting. Obviously we're not treated with the sunrise because we're behind the mountains over there, but it will start popping up eventually. So what we're going to do now is set up, decamp and bugger off home. So bring you back when we are on the way. That's it, all packed away. Leave no trace, as always, apart from the fool that did that. But yeah, leave no trace. Sun's just about to come up and we're going to get gone. Dan's feeling a bit cold, better now, so we'll make tracks. But Sprinkling Tarn is a great pitch. You don't get much of a sunset or a sunrise, obviously, but for actual just vibes and chilling, it's a great spot. That's probably one of the best night sleeps I've ever had on a camp. That mattress, sleeping pad and pillow was brilliant, so massive thank you for sending me those Kilios gear, and can't wait to get back out in it. So like I said, we just need to upgrade the sleeping bag now to a heavier duty one for winter. So we'll make tracks now. I'll come back to you further along and see what's what. I'm going to head down near the corridor route of Seathwaite Pike now, so I'll bring you back shortly. Highest mountain in England right there. Quite a few tents around here, but no worse than what it was up there. Comfortable in there. I bet you didn't know Bear Grylls was in the Lake District.
don't know if you can work it out, but you can see the car. So that means we're very close to home time. So I think I'll probably wrap this up here, because we're only going to join the path that we came up, and you've already seen all that. So if you like what you've seen, an actual successful camp this time, drop me a like, comment, drop me a subscribe, be much appreciated, and hopefully we can get back out very soon to places like this, because this is one of the best places in the Lake District, I think. This area, you've seen so many people that can pitch up, and so many spots, so hopefully we can get back here pretty soon and get another camp under our belts. So yeah, if you like what you've seen, drop me a like, comment, subscribe, even hit that notification bell. That'll be great, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.